Hi, this is MasterChef Siddharth Talwar from MasterChef India Season 5 and welcome, a big, warm, huge welcome to you all to my home kitchen. आप सब अपने हेल्थ कोचेस को ये पूछते हैं that what is healthy food, हम क्या खाएं, what is to be eaten, and of course they give you appropriate solutions. But a healthy biryani, wow, that's not really heard of. Can a biryani which is so tasty be very healthy? Well, it can be. A full protein loaded biryani from my home kitchen to your home kitchen. That this dish is loaded with proteins which come from our lean chicken breast meat and of course the soya nuggets what we are going to use, and also is loaded with vitamins and potassium which comes from red and yellow bell pepper. That's a different version of biryani, but yet it's got a health galore in there. Well, the biryanis we have is Lucknowi, Hyderabadi, Kolkata dum biryani. We have a South Chennai biryani. Let's start with the cooking process of this beautiful, healthy Lucknow biryani. So we'll take about 250 grams of chicken breast. We'll just add salt to taste, quarter tablespoon of red chili powder, quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder, quarter tablespoon of garam masala powder. Here you go, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. We'll add 1 large onion's browned onion to this, 20 to 25 leaves of pudina, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 small bowl of yogurt. We'll absolutely mix the marinade nicely and then leave it for about 45 minutes in the refrigerator. Start the heat, add about 1 liter of water to that, 150 grams of long grain basmati rice which I have soaked in clean water for about 45 minutes. I'm going to add this rice to this water, 5 or 6 drops of olive oil to this rice. Here you go, here's the salt. So now we see the water started boiling, the rice has started cooking. So we need to add a few dry ingredients to this. This is star anise, 1 and 2. We add a whole slit green chili to this, 1 black cardamom yani kali ilaichi, 8 to 10 peppercorns yani sabut kali mirch, mace yani javitri, just a couple of strands, crush it and put it, 1 bay leaf goes right in, long yani cloves, about 4 of them, green cardamom, about 4 of them. Alright, so here you go, the rice is done up to 80%, चावल एकदम बढ़िया से 80% तक पक चुके हैं. And now remember, इस चावल को हमने 45 minutes तक भिगोया था and we threw away the water, and after boiling it for till 80%, we are going to strain this rice, hence taking out all the starch from the rice, making it healthier definitely. For health benefits, we add olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons, that's it. 1 bay leaf, 4 pieces of green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 8 to 10 peppercorns, mace yani javitri, just 3-4 strands, 2 pieces of star anise, cinnamon, little bit of cinnamon, and 4 pieces of cloves yani long. Let's saute it for like 30 seconds. Paste of 1 large onion, ginger garlic paste right inside, just a touch of salt to make a cooking process easier, and cook until it is translucent. Biryani masala, which I'll add about 1 teaspoonful, a hint of turmeric powder, just ek chutki, that is it. Just mix it up nicely. The chicken what we've marinated, it's been an hour. We are adding a chicken to this. The whole lot of chicken goes to this and mix it up. We have to really roast it well for 5 minutes. So the chicken is well sauteed for 5 minutes. I have some boiled Nutri nuggets with me. As per your requirement, we will add diced nice and big pieces of bell pepper, red and yellow bell pepper, 1 large tablespoon of chopped coriander, a few strands of julienne ginger. We have to add a hint of water to it. Look at that, look at those beautiful colors. It looks absolutely amazing. On slow fire, cover it with a lid and cook this until done. Let's actually make a nice accompaniment raita for our biryani. So we have with us yogurt, salt to taste, a hint of red chili powder, jeera powder hai, just a hint of it, roasted garlic. Mix up the whole thing with a whisk. Done. Use a twig of mint and our raita is absolutely ready. So now you see the chicken is almost done. 1 tablespoonful केवड़ा water and उसके बाद इसको बिल्कुल ही low heat पे करके अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेंगे. We just take a little bit of rice, not too much, बहुत थोड़ा सा rice एक pan में and just spread it out nicely and evenly. Here goes everything inside as a layer. After this, you just need to put in the remainder of the rice. Spread this rice nice and even. On top of this, I've got some saffron which has been infused in milk, sliced green chilies, a little bit of green chilies which is optional. Some leaves of mint will go on top, and I've got that brown onion. Again, a teaspoonful of kevda jal, 4-5 tablespoons of water, and we will cover this and let this cook for at least 10 minutes. धीरे से खोलेंगे and look at that. Wow, the steam. It smells absolutely beautiful. एक फ्लैट स्पून लेके बिल्कुल कोने से आपको बिरयानी को मिक्स करना है. Slowly. To make a dish more beautiful, you need to garnish the dish. So friends, this is an absolute healthy biryani, totally ready to eat, and of course, you must make this at home and eat it. Now, this has less than 300 calories in this whole portion because the rice we've already de-starched it, उसका पूरा पानी हमने निकाल दिया था, and it's absolutely nice and healthy. हाँ, for vegetarians, in case you do not wish to use chicken, आप इसका alternative soya nuggets and vegetables भी use कर सकते हैं. I really hope you like this video and you like the dish too. And for this, you must try cooking this dish at home. It's an absolute amazing dish, I promise you. And you must tag me and healthify me by hashtag FitFest21 and hashtag CookWithSid. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I hope to look forward to see you again soon.